Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are back with another update. Today is May 12th, 2025. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I selected number of different call options about a month ago, and today we're going to be checking how well they're doing to date. So just a little bit of context. So today was a fantastic day for stock market, mainly because the US and China have agreed to start negotiating an end to the tariff war. So, in fact, I would say that maybe they have gone further than just saying that they will start negotiating. It appears that they have signed some sort of deal. And we also know that both China and US are going to be dropping tariff rates on each other quite substantially. And based on that news, the stock market was roaring today, and we saw tech stocks in the US go up. We saw oil go up. We also saw Chinese stocks, of course, go up. So I think overall it's a quite positive news to say the least. Personally, I was surprised to hear that they have signed a deal this early in tariff war. I know like the Liberation Day that the US or President Trump declared about a month ago on April 2nd was just 6 weeks ago. So I kind of thought that this tariff war would, drag on, into the summer, and probably, we'll see some deals come, in August or September. But it's good to see that they have both decided that, okay, they're not going to go down this path and they're going to work together to end the tariffs. So that's great news for both the US and China. And who won, who lost, that's another discussion. But clearly, we know that, and we have said this early, that US thought that they would be able to boss China around, but they can't do that. Things have changed. It's 2025, and China is a very strong sovereign economy, and they hold a lot of power themselves. So let's just look at how the call options that I selected are performing. So you can see that the four call options were one was from Apple, the other one was from a Canadian company called TFII.to. This is a trucking company that has tanked since tariffs were imposed on Canadian companies. Then we got another Canadian company, it's an oil and gas company, and then of course we got Chinese, my favorite, Alibaba stock. So to date, you can see that Apple is up 21%. And just as a reminder, if you watched yesterday's video, I was down on this call option. I think I was down like 10%. So today, the stock itself was up quite a bit, like 6%. And because of that, the call option was up like, I don't know, like 30% or something. So TFII was, this one is a little bit strange. I wonder if I'm getting the right data, but the stock was up like nearly 10% today, but call option is down 6%. It doesn't make sense. So I'll have to get that checked. But anyways, that's the data I have for today. CNRL is up 33%. It was negative. Actually, it was a little bit higher yesterday, but today went down, but still up 33%. And here's the big one, Alibaba. You can see the call option is up 156%. So you can check that. Yeah, when I had said that we should buy this, the call option was at 480, and today it's at $1,230. So a huge jump, and I think it's gonna continue to go up. For those tracking my my portfolio, as you may know, I haven't bought any of these yet. I've just been monitoring them, watching them. And there's another reason why I didn't get a chance to buy. I've got into that in my different videos. But today I did buy a call option for Alibaba, just one, and I bought some stocks for TFII. So let's see. For Baba, I bought the same call option, expiry in October 17th, and same strike price of 140. So that's the update for today. And if I go here, yeah, no, I think we can check the stock, the call options. Let's just see if we can find the call options for Alibaba at least. Let's just go. Okay, futures are down, but who cares? Tomorrow there's an inflation data coming from the US. Apparently it's going to be not so good, but yeah, let's see. Doesn't matter. News, let's go to options. Where's options here? Yeah, options. Let's go to October 17th. And I bought this one, 140, I think. Or maybe 145, I forget. I think about 145. But for our purposes, because in this video I'm showing 140, so we should go with 140 honestly. All strike prices, what the hell? Call options, yes, okay. Let's go to October 17th and May 145, 140. Where's 140? October 25, all strike price of 75. What is going on? Where's 140? Oh, right here, 140. Okay. Why is it breaking down? Why is it like this? I'm so confused. But you can see so many of these call options are up so much today. But clearly, call option October 17th, list all options. I just want calls. So 25, 15. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, let's just check 1 month. Yeah, you can see it go up. Let's just check 6 months. Yeah. So I think it can go higher. I think, oh, wouldn't it be something if it goes up to $20? Uh, but yeah, it looks it looks good. I think Alibaba earnings coming up as well later this week. So if they are really good, we could see stock pop. We can, it may break the resistance. And honestly, leading up to the news, we may even find that Alibaba stock hits its resistance of 145 right here. So it's trending up. So maybe by Thursday, yes, it may go up. It may go up and hit this. So overall, very, very good news, and I like it. Portfolio is doing well. I think a month ago when we said that, okay, we'll focus on uh, stocks that have taken a hit because of tariff war, it was a good time to buy call options and play this series because we kind of knew that, well, honestly, we didn't know too much, but we knew that eventually the stocks would come back up. And we were thinking that they would come back up sooner than later. When I say sooner, I had thought 6 months, but looks like they're already back. And it's only been like 7, 8 weeks. So yeah, everyone, until next time, take care and goodbye.